If you've ever tried to use a big miter saw like this to cut small pieces of wood, you may have experienced what I did, something called tear out, and that's when the blade rips the back of your wood to pieces. On small pieces of wood like this, it's pretty terrible, and I've really struggled to fix the damage when I didn't need to, but it really showed on detailed work. But since I started doing this trick that I learned on YouTube, my cuts are really clean. This worked really well, so I'll show you what I did. I clamped a thin piece of shiplap to the fence at the back of my saw, and then I taped another thin piece to the cutting base, the base that's also called the table. And by cutting through these pieces of shiplap, I reduced the clearance on either side of my cutting blade, and it turns out it's that little bit of clearance on either side of the blade that causes tear out. So see on the back of the shiplap, the splinters? That's what was happening to my small pieces of wood, which was a disaster. But now, my wood is cutting clean. You can also buy special attachments or use tape to solve this problem, but I preferred to use the wood so there wouldn't be any adhesive getting down into the works of the saw. But whatever you use, be sure to use your saw very carefully and at your own risk. Check out more of my videos on my channel. The link is in the post. See you later.